Hello, everyone. My name is Will Netterson, and I'm your instructor for the next 8 weeks for EDUA 556, the legal and political aspects in education. I look forward to working with you in looking at our class roster. Majority of you I have worked with before, and looking forward to connecting with you again and furthering your journey on reaching your Master's of Education and Leadership, as well as earning your admin credential. So, a little bit about myself. I'm currently the coordinator for the adult education program in Tustin Unified. I've been married, hit the 20-year mark in February, have two kids, a son who is a senior in high school and a daughter who's a freshman in high school. Um, I've been an administrator for 12 years now. I've been in education for 22 years. I look forward to giving you insight in some of the political aspects and legal things that have come up in my journey in education, whether being a teacher or an administrator. I've been fortunate enough that I haven't gone into a courtroom, but have had to do recorded IEP meetings, as well as work with advocates and lawyers, and also just having parents who happen to also be lawyers as well. So we will be looking at the human resources, special education, freedom of speech for students, all throughout this course. And I look forward to hearing your reflection as what you see the law means, because a due process is important for every student as well as every employee too. So we'll be talking about those and the court cases that make a difference to set up our education codes and laws that we follow. So I look forward to seeing you in week one's live session on Wednesday. Please don't hesitate to call, text, or email if you have any questions.